If you want to master English, you must think in it. No shortcuts, no tricks. Thinking in English means you don't stop to translate. You feel the words. You live them. It makes your speech smooth and your understanding sharp. It gives you confidence. This is how you do it. From small steps to big strides, this path will take you there. Whether you are just starting or you know some English already, these steps will help. Follow them. Use them. Make English yours. Why thinking in English matters. No translation, no trouble. When you think in your own language and translate, it slows you down. It trips you up. Words don't match, and meaning slips away. But if you think in English, words come faster. Sentences make sense. There's no gap between thought and speech. Fluency is freedom. Fluency is not speed, it's ease. It's when the right words come and you don't need to chase them. When you think in English, sentences form by themselves. Speaking feels natural. You respond and you're understood. Confidence grows with use. Thinking in English makes you comfortable, and when you're comfortable, you don't hesitate. You don't fear mistakes. You speak as you think, and the words flow. Name the world around you. Look around. Say what you see in English. Knife, spoon, pan, sofa, lamp, window. This is how children learn. They name what's near. You can do the same. Soon the names will stick. Speak simple truths. Say what's plain and clear. The sky is blue. The table is small. The car is red. These short sentences train your mind. They teach you to think in steps. Simple, clear, and right. Flashcards. Work, use flashcards. Write the English word. Draw a picture or find one. Review them. See the picture and say the word. Make sentences with the new words. Practice daily, and your vocabulary will grow strong. Talk to yourself. Speak to yourself in English. Ask questions. Answer them. Do I need apples or oranges? I will wear the blue shirt today. You're already talking to yourself in your mind. Now do it in English. It's practice. It's progress. Tell your story. At the end of the day, tell yourself what happened. I woke up at 7. I made coffee. I walked in the park. It was quiet. This habit builds your memory and trains your mind to think in English. Make small changes, replace small things with English. Count in English. Write your lists in English. Change your phone's language to English. These are small steps, but they make a difference. Add more words. Don't stop with the basics. Learn new words. Learn their brothers and sisters. Happy, joyful, content, pleased. Big, huge, large, massive. When you learn a word, use it. Write a sentence. Speak it. Make it yours. See it in your mind. Picture a scene. Describe it in English. At the beach, the waves crash. The sand is warm. In the city, cars honk. People walk fast. Imagination connects the words to life. This makes them real. Question and answer. Prepare yourself for the questions of life. Think of answers. Question. What is your favorite food? Oh, answer. I like pasta. It's simple and good. Practice this often. It's how you prepare for real conversations. Surround yourself. Watch movies. Listen to podcasts. Read books. Use English in your free time. Pick stories or topics you enjoy. Let the language surround you. You will learn faster when you enjoy it. Think in ideas. Don't just think in words. Think in plans. Think in English about your day, your dreams, your work. If you plan a trip, think in English. I'll go to the airport at 8. My flight is at 10. Make English your tool for ideas. Argue with yourself. Pick a topic. Take both sides. Is technology good or bad? Oh, good. It makes life easier. Oh, bad. It can waste time. This trains your brain to build stronger thoughts and clearer sentences. Keep a journal. Write your thoughts every day. Write about what happened, what you feel, what you want. Writing in English helps you think deeply. Over time, your sentences will grow richer and your ideas clearer. Learn phrases. Idioms are the soul of English. Break the ice means to start talking. Piece of cake means something easy. Think in these phrases. Use them. They add color to your thoughts. Limited words. If you don't know a word, describe it. Use what you know. Instead of microwave, say, the machine that heats food. Keep learning. The right words will come. Slow thinking. Start slow. Build speed. Practice often. Use apps or set a timer. Push yourself to think faster, step by step. Fear of mistakes. Mistakes are how you learn. Don't fear them. Speak, write, think. Each time, you'll grow better. Make it a habit. Choose times to practice. Think in English while you cook, walk, or wait in line. Practice every day. It adds up. Find a partner. Talk to someone who knows English. Practice together. Share ideas. Learning is easier with a friend. Check yourself. Look back. Are you better than before? What's working? What's not? Adjust as needed. Keep going. Thinking in English changes everything. Start small. Name objects. Say simple sentences. Then grow. Tell stories. Plan your life. Argue and imagine in English. It's not magic. It's work. But it's worth it. Keep at it. And one day English will feel natural. It won't be foreign. It will be yours.